Kim, this is your HQ radio, all spruced up now, repainted case, LED light, your 4-channel amplifier that you wanted, and of course Bluetooth. Switch him on.
Power on. Connected.
Connect to the phone and... going really well.
Respect to the elders, the keepers of the wire, bringing the analog back to life.
The volume control works, so does the tone control. You got the dull tone and a higher tone. Tuning does nothing, it's just mechanical there to move the bar up and down. It's no longer any use. And of course the on-off switch, which you saw working, so it's come up really nicely. And plenty of volume. That way, that's it.